Hi guys, we are going to assemble this deluxe baby bouncer today. Actually, we bought this one from Argos and it cost £25. There's no any instruction in the YouTube to attach this bouncer, so we are trying to help everybody. We find it quite tricky to assemble before, but we managed somehow. So now we are going to disassemble this one and then we will refix it again so that it will make life easy for everyone. I'm going to get help from my husband. So here
Yes,
we are
so
going to start.
to disassemble, if you want to free storage and travel, you need a Phillips screwdriver to depress the release button on the inside of its connecting hub. But I don't have the Phillips screwdriver, so I'm using this
Bobby pin.
bobby pin. So this one, just put it upside down. There is a release button in the middle, a small hole. So you just push this thing, and then you need to get this. Yes, this is out, and another one.
It's the same way from the other side as well.
Yes, press the button
Bobby
and
pin
it's
is quite
out.
helpful.
Yeah, so this is the different part, but still we need to take this one out as well. So you need to take this buckle off, three buckle here, and this one is
This is the vibrating section, which is
vibration.
quite
Yeah.
portable and detachable as well.
This one, put it aside for a while. This is the seat. So this one, take this one out as well. Pretty easy.
Let me show it properly.
Pretty high, yeah.
Okay.
So take this away, and this one, pull it. Yes, pull it. So you will have this part. While you open the box, you will see this thing this way. Keep this way. You can follow the instruction as well from 1 to. There are several instruction here. Start with number 1. Yes, so this is the base, and this is the light right one, and put this, yeah, this way. This is left and this is right. Okay, put it. This one you need to pull this up, and insert this one here, this way. Insert, yeah, and then you fix it, click, and another one, insert this tube here, and then another click. So this is ready, the base. Now what we're gonna do is, let's fix this one, put it aside, the base. So to fix this, we'll have this one, maybe.
Yeah, we can disassemble that
disassemble
first.
this one
It
as
will
well.
come.
Yeah, this is one, see, different. You will get 2 pieces. So first assemble this. So this one you need to press it, and then you click here. Another one, this is pretty easy, you can figure it out. This goes here, and another side as well, this goes here. So we got 2 parts ready, and the tricky bit is, where is that one?
It's the same over there.
Yeah, this one, yes. So keep this underneath, and this one, and this is the upper one. So this one, you'll see the hole, it goes here inside, but it doesn't go fully down. So what you do, click this, don't worry, you have to push this inside anyway. So, and so you have to do one by one.
One side at a time.
Yeah, push this, and yeah.
This part is quite tricky for us earlier on, so
yeah,
we are showing you very nicely how you have to do it.
yeah, push this, and
You have to press it quite hard and use little bit of force on that part.
And just tuck it in. Yeah, you might need a little bit. This one, let's try this one. Yeah, this should go all the way down. Yeah, it's going. So let's try this one.
Same way on the other side again. That's it.
No, so the easiest way, I
This is
think.
the actually challenging part, guys. So
Yeah.
you just need to be very careful and fix it properly. Otherwise, it's not safe for the child.
Yeah. Maybe we need some other tools. Earlier than we managed to. Yes.
Done?
Down. It should go all the way down, isn't it?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Done? That's
Yeah.
it. It's been fixed now.
Look. So now the cover. Before you do the cover, you can do this vibration part.
Actually, we
And,
need
yeah,
battery for that one.
Battery C size battery.
It's
we
written
need-
in the instruction as well.
C size 1.4 volt. Just unscrew and then put battery inside, and you can just.
Can we show in the
Yeah, it's in the instruction here.
map?
Yeah.
This is the battery
Yeah.
we required.
CLR14. Yeah.
Okay.
And then push this inside. It's pretty easy. Yes. Now I put the cover. Just tuck it in, and the buckle. Now this one, no. This is this way, and this one this way. And here is another one. So 3 buckles here at the back. Okay, this one here. And this.
We are pretty much
Yeah.
done. We just
So
need to
this one.
fix the.
Yeah, and we keep the baby here. We'll try keeping our baby. Come on, baby. It's a new
Hello,
bouncer
baby.
for
He's
you.
a bit quite unsettled in his cot, so
So
we
we
can take
try
the
him.
blanket off.
Here we go.
Hello.
Bouncer for you. How are you doing?
Hello, little one.
Okay. Just put him safely.
He's only 6 weeks old at the moment, but he's 6 kg already.
Oh, that's
So
nice.
this bouncer is only for 9 kg, and in the instruction it says that we can put babies until they are able to sit by themselves. So hopefully
looks like
we can use it for a while, at least
Yeah.
2-3 months.
Looks like you're gonna outgrow this one.
Now there is the last part.
This one here. Look at that.
That's it.
How is it? You enjoying? Okay. So if you got any problem while fixing this, please write in your comment, and we'll try to help you. Thanks for
Actually,
watching
guys, this is our first YouTube
video.
so hopefully it helps you as well. So if there is any comment or any confusion, don't forget to put
Yeah, so baby is laughing.
Put it on.
Very smart. So please like, comment, and share, and the ring bell button as well, so you will keep updated. Thanks for watching. Enjoy
see you
your
with our
bouncer.
next video next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.